Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to close your Charles Schwab account. First, understand the different types of accounts you might have, such as brokerage or retirement, as the process can vary slightly. Next, consider transferring your assets to another financial institution before initiating the closure. Finally, ensure all your outstanding trades have fully settled to avoid any complications during the process. Before proceeding, take a moment to review any potential fees or penalties associated with closing your account. It's also crucial to update any direct deposits or automatic withdrawals linked to this account to prevent disruptions. Don't forget to download all necessary tax documents, like Form 1099, for your records before the account is inaccessible. To officially close your account, you'll need to contact Charles Schwab directly, either by phone or through their secure messaging system. They will guide you through the necessary steps and provide any required forms. Make sure to complete and submit these forms accurately. Always request written confirmation of your account closure for your records, ensuring everything is finalized. After receiving confirmation, perform a final check to ensure your account balance is zero. It's also a good practice to securely dispose of any old account statements or cards to protect your personal information. And for other great deals, including the Owala water bottle, check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.